Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. Students, in the last session we have solved exercise number 6a. In that exercise we have seen how to write division fact. Some homework also I have given yesterday and I know you have solved it very properly. So today we are going to see division as repeated subtraction. For that you have to open page number 87. This is page number 87. As we have seen in multiplication chapter that multiplication means repeated addition. The same way we are going to see division as repeated subtraction. Ishita has a pizza which has 8 parts. She wants to give 2 pieces each to each of her friends. How many friends can she share the pizza with? Now see, here is a pizza and it has 8 parts. Now we'll see here. Pizza pieces remaining after giving 2 pieces to her first friend. So after giving 2 pieces to her first friend, 6 pieces are remaining. So here written 8 minus 2, 6. Remaining pieces after giving 2 pieces of her second friend. So again 2 pieces are given to second friend. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Remaining pieces after giving 2 pieces to her third friend. So again these 2 pieces given to third friend. So only 2 pieces are remaining. So 4 minus 2, 2. Again remaining pieces after giving 2 pieces to her fourth friend. So 2 minus 2, 0 means these 2 pieces also given to fourth friend. Then she left 0 pieces. So we can show that as 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. So how many times we have subtracted 2? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a repeated subtraction. This is called repeated subtraction. Means the same number we are repeatedly subtracting till we should get 0. So we'll see here. We see that when 2 subtracted 4 times from 8, we get 0. Thus, Ishita can share a pizza with 8 pieces equally with 4 friends. So, 4 times we have subtracted 2. So, 4 friends she can share this pizza. Division form of above repeated subtraction is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So as we are writing the table, we can see that 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 2 fours are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 8 is at 4th position. So this 4 is your answer. So for that we are solving some sums here. Try this. Write a division fact for each of the following. One has been done for you. So here 10 minus 2, it has repeatedly subtraction till we should get 0. So how many times it has subtracted? We'll count. This is one time where 2 has written. There you have to write number 1. Here you have to write number 2. Here where 2 is written, there you have to write number 3. Again 2 is there, number 4 you have to write, and here you can write number 5. So 5 times we have subtracted 2 from 10, then we'll get 0, and 5 times we have subtracted this number 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Every time you should not divide with 2. The numbers will change. Now see here, 16 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So how many times 4 is subtracted? We'll write the number 1. Where 4 is written, there you have to write the number 3 and 4. So how many times we have subtracted? 4. 4 times. So what we are writing? 16 divided by which number you have subtracted? 4. So 4 and we have subtracted it 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times. So you have to write 16 divided by 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. This is your answer. Next number, see here, 2 we have subtracted, here we have subtracted 4 and here 6 number is there. So we'll count 24 minus 6, first time we have subtracted 6, we'll get 18. 18 minus 6, we'll get 12. This is our second time subtraction. Then again subtract 6. Third time subtraction, we'll get 6 as the answer. Again 6 we have subtracted and we'll get 0 and we have subtracted it 4 times. So what we have to write? 24 divided by 6. 24, the number which you have subtracted, that we have to write here, divided by 6 is equal to how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that 4 number we have to write here. Now students, open page number 88. Page number 88, there is exercise 6b. In this exercise 6b, question 1 is divide using repeated subtraction. One has been done for you. Repeated subtraction means repeatedly you have to subtract number from which we are dividing the previous number. So here one sum is done for you. Only the numbers are not written. We'll write that. 1 time subtracted, 2 times subtracted and 3 times subtracted. How many times you are subtracting? That is your answer. So we'll do here now. 12 divided by 6. So we'll write 12 number minus 6. We are subtracting. Now see, tens ones you are knowing. 2 minus 6. Open 2 fingers. Cut 6. You cannot do it. So what we'll do? We'll take whole 12 number. Now 6 after count till 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll get 6 as a answer. So how many times we have subtracted? 1. Now we did not get 0. So till getting 0 we have to subtract. So again minus 6. Now 6 minus 6 we are getting 0. And this is our second time subtraction. So how many times we have subtracted? 2. So here is our answer 2. We'll see next one. 54 divided by 9. So write here 54 minus 9. Now take 4. Open 4 fingers. Cut 9. We cannot do. So what we have to do? Borrow from 5. 5 will convert into 4. And 4 will convert into 14. So 9 after count till 14. We'll get answer 5. And this 4 will come as it is. Again subtract 9. This is our first subtraction. And this one is second one. We'll get the answer here. 5 fingers open. Cut 9. Cannot do. So borrow from 4. 4 will convert into 3. 5 will convert into 15. 9 after count till 15 will get 6 as a answer. This 3 will come as it is down. Now again cut 9. 6 fingers open. Cut 9. It is not possible. Borrow from 3. So 2. And here it will become 16. 9 after count till 16 will get 7. 2 will come as it is down. This is our third time subtraction. Next one, cut 9. Open 7 fingers, cut 9. It's not possible. Borrow from 2. It has become 17. 9 after count till 17. We'll get 8 as an answer. This one will come as it is down. This is our fourth time subtraction. Now cut 9. Open 8 fingers. Cut 9. Not possible. So take whole 18 number. 9 after count till 18. So we'll get 9 as a answer. Here we did not get still 0. So once again we are subtracting it. 9 minus 9, we are getting here 0. Now how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here is our answer 6. Now the last one we'll do here. 42 minus 6. Again, open 2 fingers, cut 6. It is not possible. Borrow from 4. 6 after count till 12. We are getting 6 as answer. 3 will come as a answer. Now this is one time. Again, cut 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 will get as it is. Now this is second time. Again cut 6. 0 minus 6, it is not possible. Borrow from 3. Here become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here come 2. This is our third time. Now next one. Cut 6. 4 fingers open. Cut 6. Not possible. Borrow from 2. 6 after count till 14. Our answer is 8. 1 will come as it is. Cut 6. This is our fourth time subtraction. 8 minus 6, 2. 1 will come as it is. This is your fifth time. Now cut 6 again. 2 minus 6 not possible. So we are taking whole 12. Cut count 6 after 12. We are getting 6. Here our sixth time subtraction. And one more time. 6 minus 6, 0. And this is our seventh time subtraction. Our answer is 7. So students, complete in your textbook. You will get homework tomorrow. Till the next session. Bye bye.